until 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:57 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Camp Nelson, Peppermint, Quaking Aspen, Ponderosa, Johnsondale, and Springville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following county: Tulare, California.